Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to everyone, students. I am Mohammad Fazlul Haq, instructor non-tech English, Rangpur Polytechnic Institute, Rangpur. I hope all of you are fine by the mercy of Allah. I am also fine by His mercy. Today subject is Communicative English, code 65722. It's lesson number 2, date 16th August 2021. Okay, students, today I shall discuss you another topics of Communicative English, that is what is communication and communication skills, and I shall also discuss a unseen passage. Okay, students, so let's go to the next slide. जी भाई, thank you. Okay, students, communication and presentation skills. Actually, what is for our completing our purpose, we need communication. It is an important fact to us. Now, what is communication? It means what is the definition of communication? Communication means the activity of expressing ideas and feelings, or of giving people information. That means by which method we can express our feelings, our ideas, our thoughts with other people for giving our information to them and get information from them. That's way of method is called communication. As a method of expressing ideas and feelings, the method of communication can be divided into two types. Actually, there are two types of communication. They are verbal communication and non-verbal communication. So, students, that means here you have got what is communication and how many kinds of communication. In this slide I have discussed. Then the next slide, you know that there are two kinds of communication. One is called verbal communication, another is called non-verbal communication. Here, students, is the definition of verbal communication. The communication that is done by word or language is called verbal communication. That means in verbal communication we communicate with person by language, that means by speaking or by words. This is called verbal communication, and this verbal communication is divided into two types. It is also two types. They are oral communication and written communication. অর্থাৎ এটাকে বলা হচ্ছে মৌখিক যোগাযোগ আর এটা হচ্ছে লিখিত যোগাযোগ ভার্বাল যোগাযোগ হচ্ছে দুই ধরনের। একটাকে বলা হচ্ছে ওরাল, মৌখিক, অর্থাৎ ওরাল কমিউনিকেশন, and another is written communication. Oral communication, here is the definition of oral communication. Verbal communication is two kind, one is called oral and another is called written communication. এখানে oral communication এর সংজ্ঞাটা হলো the communication that is done by speaking or orally is called oral communication. For example, radio, telephone, cell phone, television. That means oral communication, the communication that is done by speaking বা or orally, অর্থাৎ যে যোগাযোগটা আমরা কথা বলে অথবা মৌখিকভাবে কথাবার্তার মধ্যে আর কি যোগাযোগ করি কারোর সাথে, সেই যোগাটাকে বলা হচ্ছে ওরাল অর্থাৎ মৌখিক কমিউনিকেশন। দ্যাটস মিন দ্য কমিউনিকেশন দ্যাট ইজ ডান বাই স্পিকিং or orally is called oral communication. For example, radio, telephone, cell phone, television. By this media we have to speak. এই মিডিয়াগুলোতে রেডিও, টেলিভিশন এগুলো আমরা কথা বলি, এগুলো কথা বলার সময় ইউজ করা হয়। যে যোগাযোগটা কথা বলি এগুলোর মাধ্যমে যে যোগাযোগটা হচ্ছে এটাকে বলা হচ্ছে ওরাল কমিউনিকেশন। দেন রিটেন কমিউনিকেশন, লিখিত যোগাযোগ। দ্য কমিউনিকেশন that is done by writing is called written communication. Okay students, I would like to tell you, you have to write down your roll number or name in the comment box. Okay, written communication, the communication that is done by writing is called written communication. For example, letter, report, advertisement, etc. These are example of written communication. Okay students, I am checking whether you are able to watch or not. I would like to tell you, you have to write down your roll number or name in the comment box. Okay students, that means here non-verbal communication. The definition of non-verbal communication, the communication that is done without words is called non-verbal communication. For example, different types of gestures or signal etc. Non-verbal communication যেটাকে বলা হয় যে যোগাযোগটা কোনো ধরনের কথাবার্তা ছাড়াই যোগাযোগ হয়, যে মাধ্যম কোনো কথাবার্তা ছাড়াই যে মাধ্যমে কারোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করা হয় সেটাকে বলা হচ্ছে নন ভার্বাল কমিউনিকেশন। অর্থাৎ দি কমিউনিকেশন দ্যাট ইজ ডান উইদাউট ওয়ার্ডস ইজ কল নন ভার্বাল কমিউনিকেশন। ফর এক্সাম্পল, ডিফারেন্ট টাইপস অফ গেস্টার্স অ্যান্ড সিগন্যাল, বিভিন্ন ধরনের অঙ্গের অঙ্গভঙ্গির মাধ্যমে, সিগন্যাল অর্থাৎ ইশারা আকৃতির মাধ্যমে, যে এগুলোতে ইশারা বা আকৃতি বা অঙ্গভঙ্গির মাধ্যমে যে আমরা যোগাযোগটা করি, here we need no words, that is called, it is called non-verbal communication. Actually students, that means we have two types of communication, one is called verbal communication, another is called non-verbal communication. Verbal communication is divided by two types, one is called oral communication, another is called written communication. And then non-verbal communication, it has no type, that is it is the communication that is done without words is called non-verbal communication. For example, different types of gestures, signal etc. Okay students, I would like to go next slide, and in the next slide you will find a passage. This passage is unseen to you. I have told you that in this syllabus you will find some passage and that would be unseen to you. Here now I shall discuss one of the passages. Presentation skills. Presentation skill, here is a presentation skills. Presentation skill is very much needed to make a communication fruitful. Presentation, we have to know how to present our topics, and it is very important. And there are two types actually presentation, one is oral presentations and another is written presentations. And the features of oral presentations is oral communication is an easy method of communication that can be presented without any formalities. It is actually easy when for this actually we have no need any formalities. And in the number 2, in this system one can present information without spending any time or money. We can spending without time and money, we can communicate with other persons by oral. Then to present anything orally, one has to be courageous. Actually, to present our topics, our desires to anyone, and for this we should be courageous. We should not be hesitated. We should express it courageously, and it is the one of the features of oral communication. We should not be hesitated. Then the features of written presentation skills is that in written communication information should be exact. অর্থাৎ একদম সঠিক যেটা বলবে সেটা সঠিক হতে হবে, মানে exact to the point. In written communication information should be exact. It requires the ability of writing and translating language. That's mean written language ability we need. One has to know how to write letters, email, message. We have to capability how to write letters, email or message or any other things. We have to keep the capability. Then one should be expert in writing and using language. We should be expert. We should know how to write. That means we should be expert. We should be acknowledged. We should be experienced in writing or using language. Okay, in the actually student, in the next slide you will find a passage. In the next slide, the passage is unseen to you. I have already discussed in first lecture of mine. Actually, student, here read the passage, answer the questions below. Here, that's why the world is producing millions of tons of domestic rubbish and toxic industrial waste each year, and it is becoming increasingly difficult to find suitable locations to get rid of all the refuse. The disposal of various kinds of waste is seriously polluting the environment. We know that air is an important element of our environment, and our air is polluted by smoke. Man makes fire to cook food, make bricks, melt tar for road construction, and to do many other things. For fires create smoke and pollute the air. Railway engines and powerhouses create smoke and by burning coal and oil. Mills and factories also belch a lot of smoke. Buses, trucks and cars use petrol and diesel oil. These two emit smoke. All these kinds of smoke pollute the air. Actually, students, I think you have understood the meaning of the passage. You actually, if you want to answer all the questions from the passage, the first condition is that you have to comprehend, you have to understand the passage thoroughly. Actually, you have already known that this passage, actually এই প্যাসেজটা আলোচনা করা হয়েছে বিভিন্ন ধরনের আবর্জনা, ময়লা, এগুলা ময়লা ডোমেস্টিক গৃহে যে ময়লাগুলো জমে এবং টক্সিক যে বিষাক্ত মানে শিল্প কারখানাগুলো যে বজ্রগুলো প্রতি বছর লক্ষ লক্ষ টন এগুলো কি উৎপাদিত হচ্ছে এবং এগুলো বিভিন্নভাবে আমাদের এবং এরা আমাদের পরিবেশকে দূষিত করতেছে এবং এগুলোকে আমরা কোথায় রাখবো, এটা সুইটেবল প্লেস যাওয়াটা আমাদের জন্য খুব কঠিন হয়ে যাচ্ছে আর কি, ডিফিকাল্টি। অ্যাকচুয়ালি এয়ার ইজ অ্যান ইম্পর্টেন্ট এলিমেন্ট অফ দ্য এনভায়রনমেন্ট। এয়ার, বায়ু যে বাতাসটা হচ্ছে আমাদের যে পরিবেশের একটা অন্যতম গুরুত্বপূর্ণ উপাদান। এই যে গুরুত্বপূর্ণ উপাদান এয়ার, যেটা ছাড়া আমরা উই ক্যান নট লিভ, আমরা বাঁচতে পারি না। অ্যাকচুয়ালি এই এয়ারটা নানাভাবে দূষিত হচ্ছে। অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমরা নিজেরাও দেখি মানুষ, আমরা আগুন জ্বালাই, আমরা রান্না করার জন্য, রোড কনস্ট্রাকশনের জন্য, আর অন্য কাজ করার জন্য, কিন্তু এতে কি হয়, স্মোক উৎপাদন হয় আর কি। এই স্মোকটা আবার এয়ারটাকে কী করছে, পলিউটেড করে। তেমনিভাবে বিভিন্ন ধরনের আমাদেরকে বাস, ট্রাক, রেলওয়ে ইঞ্জিনস, পাওয়ার হাউসেস, দে অলসো create smoke, and this type, all types of smoke, actually all types of smokes pollute the environment. Actually students, this is the passage, this is the gist of the passage, this is the meaning of the passage. If you read the passage elaborately line by line, then it will be clear to you the meaning of the passage. Actually now I am going to the next slide. What is the questions on it? Firstly, write the statement whether it is true or false. If false, give the correct information. Actually here is some questions. The question is whether is according, there is some sentence, the sentence is according to the passage, and some sentences are true according to the passage, and some sentence is not true according to the passage. That means if you understand the passage clearly, then it will be easy to you for answering the question. Okay students, here do you look that smoke is produced only by fire. Smoke is produced only by fire, মানে ধোঁয়া শুধুমাত্র আগুন দ্বারাই উৎপাদিত হয়। Is it true or false? Students, actually then actually smoke is produced only by fire. Actually it is true or false? Actually it is false. Smoke is produced only by fire. Not actually, smoke is produced by many ways, not fire, by buses, in trucks, railway engine, in various ways smoke can be produced, not only fire, শুধুমাত্র আগুন দ্বারা না, অন্যভাবে তৈরি হতে পারে। So this sentence is not true, it is false. The correct sentence is that smoke is produced by many ways. Then B, man makes fire to create smoke and pollute the air. Man makes fire, মানুষ আগুন উৎপাদন করে to create smoke তৈরি করার জন্য, আর pollute the air, বাতাসকে দূষিত করার জন্য। এটা কি মানুষের উদ্দেশ্য? Actually not. It is also false. Man makes fire for cook food, melt tar for road construction, and to do many other things. Actually মানুষ যে আগুন তৈরি করে, এটা মানুষ রান্না করার জন্য, রাস্তা নির্মাণের জন্য, আরও অনেক কিছু। তাদের উদ্দেশ্য কিন্তু শুধু ধোঁয়া স্মোকের জন্য না, কিন্তু ধোঁয়া স্মোক হয়ে তো আলটিমেটলি এনভায়রনমেন্টটা পলিউটেড হয়ে যায়। সো ম্যান মেক্স ফায়ার টু ক্রিয়েট স্মোক অ্যান্ড পলিউট দ্য এয়ার, ইট ইজ not true. This sentence is also false. Man makes fire to create smoke and pollute the air, it is false. The correct answer would be man makes fire to cook food, make bricks, melt tar for road constructions, and to do many other things actually. Then group C, this students, you find that various kinds of waste is contaminating our environment. ভেরিয়াস কাইন্ডস অফ ওয়াশ, বিভিন্ন ধরনের, নানান ধরনের আবর্জনা, ময়লা আবর্জনা, ইজ কন্টামিনেটিং, দ্যাটস মিনস পলিউটিং, মানে পলিউট করতেছে, কন্টামিনেট করতেছে আওয়ার এনভায়রনমেন্টকে, আমাদের এনভায়রনমেন্টকে। ইজ ইট ট্রু অর ফলস? দ্য ভেরিয়াস কাইন্ডস অফ ওয়াশ আমাদের এনভায়রনমেন্টকে পলিউট করে, অর্থাৎ কন্টামিনেট করে। দ্যাটস মিনস দিস সেন্টেন্স ইজ ট্রু। অ্যাকচুয়ালি দ্যাটস ইজ ওকে, দ্যাটস ইজ মানে true exact sentence. The various kinds of waste is contaminating our environment, it is true sentence. Number D, domestic rubbish is produced by industry. Domestic rubbish is produced by industry. গৃহে যে আমাদের যে ডোমেস্টিক, দ্যাটস মিনস গৃহে, ঘর বাড়িতে যে সমস্ত রাবিশ, যে আমাদের ডোমেস্টিক রাবিশগুলো, এগুলো প্রডিউসড হয় ইন্ডাস্ট্রি, শিল্প কারখানায়। Actually it is wrong, it is not true. Domestic rubbish is produced at home, this is the right answer. Then E, all kinds of smoke pollute the air, all kinds of smoke, সমস্ত ধরনের ধোঁয়া pollute the air, air কে pollute করে। Is it true or false? Actually, is it true? Actually, all kinds of smoke pollute the air. It is true sentence. The next slide. Answer the question of the true false. Actually, I have already told that the false sentence actually false. Smoke is produced by many ways. B also false. Man makes fire to cook food, make bricks, melt tar for road construction, and to do many other things. C true. Then false. D false. Domestic rubbish is produced at home. E true. All kinds of waste pollute the environment. It is true actually. Then okay student, then I am going to the next slide. Choose the right answer to complete each sentence. Here students, it is the multiple choice of question. Here it is, and number 1 is, you see, smoke is made, created or produced by fire. Railway engines and power hoses create smoke and burning coal, and by burning coal and oil. Means that factories also fails. Smoke is made, create. Here is the smoke is made, create or reduced by fire. Here smoke is, what would be the correct word? Here would be made or created or reduced. Which word will be appropriate here? So here smoke is here created by fire. Smoke is created by fire. Smoke is created by fire. Made and reduced will be not set here. So the sentence will be, smoke is created by fire. Number 2, man manufactures, plants or makes fire to cook food. Which words? Manufactures or plants or makes fire to cook food. Here among the 3 words, manufactures, plants, makes, among these 3 words, makes will be appropriate here. So the correct answer here will be, man makes fire to cook food. Number 3, smoke, polluting, pollutes, be polluted the fire. Which words will be here correct? Polluting or pollutes or be polluted the air. So where the correct sentence here, students, what would be? Smoke pollutes the air. Smoke অর্থাৎ ধোঁয়া বাতাসকে দূষিত করে, pollutes করে। The word suitable, উপযোগী. The word suitable means appropriate, fit or enough. Which word be? Appropriate, একদম সঠিক, fit উপযুক্ত, enough যথেষ্ট. Which word will be correct here? The word suitable. The word suitable means appropriate. It will be correct. The word suitable means appropriate. Fit or enough is not here. All kind of, type of, kinds of smoke pollute air. Then what type of here? Kind of, type of, kinds of smoke pollute air. Which word will be set here? That's mean all here, all kinds of smoke pollute air. All kinds of smoke pollute air. Students, I think you have understood actually. So I am going to the next slide. Actually, students, here the some questions, here some questions according to the passage. The first question is, what is the world producing? World ki produce korteche, what is the world nowadays? Is the answer, the world, according to the passage, the world is producing millions of tons of domestic rubbish and toxic industrial waste each year. That means the what is the world producing? The world is producing millions of tons of domestic rubbish and toxic industrial waste. Then what is becoming difficult? কি কঠিন আমাদের জন্য এই ওয়াজটাকে কিভাবে কি কি বিষয় নিয়ে আমরা চিন্তা করি যে দিনে দিনে কি ডিফিকাল্ট হয়ে যাচ্ছে আমাদের জন্য এটা জিনিসগুলো. দিস টাইপস অফ কোশ্চেন ইজ দ্য মিনিং অফ দ্য কোশ্চেন্স. Actually, it is becoming difficult to find suitable locations to get rid of all the refuse. Actually, to get rid of suitable location, it is becoming difficult to find suitable locations to get rid of all the refuse, all the rubbish, of all the wastes. It is very difficult. That means suitable locations. Number 3, how does man pollute air? Actually, man, that means we. Man makes fire to cook food, make bricks, melt tar for road construction, and to do many other things. And thus, smoke is created. And thus smoke is created, and this smoke is polluted the air. Okay, students, man makes fire to cook food, make bricks and other things, and by making fire, actually smoke is being created, and this